Sexual reproduction in plants is a life cycle. It's divided into two repeating phases, the gametophyte generation and the sporophyte generation. The gametophyte generation produces gametes. Gametes are male and female sex cells that combine through fertilization to form a zygote and grow through mitosis to form an embryo inside a seed. Seed germination and the growth of the seedling begins the sporophyte generation. The sporophyte generation produces spores. Inside the ovules and anthers are sporocyte cells that are diploid. They have a full set of chromosomes. Through meiosis, those cells are reduced to form haploid, mega, and microspores. The mega and microspores then divide through mitosis to form microgametophyte, more commonly known as pollen, and megagametophyte within the ovule, in the ovary, the base of the female flower. This begins the gametophyte generation of the cycle. The megagametophyte produces egg cells through mitosis, and the microgametophyte produces sperm cells through mitosis. Through the process of pollination and fertilization, sperm cells combine with egg cells to produce a zygote that once again is diploid. Through mitosis, the zygote grows into an embryo within a seed and the cycle begins again.